Hi guys, my name is Guilherme Valtares and today we are going to talk about this. This is one of those things I was noticing onto it. Now during the pandemic, we have a boom of news creator on YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, and a lot of platforms, a lot of apps that you can stream live. And what happens with a lot of girls that already did streams, but on pornography sites, on sites that is prohibited for children. And those creators notice something. They notice if they can go to a friendly family platform, they could reach a lot of children and a lot of men that want to spend money just to see her shaking the ass or shaking the booty. So that's are happening now on Twitter, and a lot of creators like me who like to play games, who like to talk about news, who like to talk about anything, are having problem to reach more views because when I'm stream a good content with 3 or 10 people watching me live, those girls just doing nothing, just showing their boobs, are streaming for 30,000 of viewers at the same time. One with 5,000, other with 10,000, other with 30,000, and I can show you guys. One of them are streaming right now, and I will show you how many people are watching her. Even she was banned last last 2 days ago. One of her was banned 2 days ago, and she already are streaming now. And let's go to the news. Twitch bans two top creators in struggle with sexuality suggestive streams. Streamers keep pushing the rules, and their viewers love it. That's what I'm talking about. Twitch is once again struggling with how to handle sexually suggestive streams from some of the most popular women on its platform. Over the weekend, the service banned two top female streamers, Amaranth and Indie Fox, who had been broadcasting ASMR streams from their beds. Both streamers involving the creators leaking a microphone while wearing what appears to be the TikTok female's leggings, known for making your butt look great. It's just the latest instance of Twitch making itself the arbiter of what counts as too sex for its audience and advertisers. It's like TikTok. Which less clothes you have, more views you have. So that's it. Amurat. She is now streaming and she's trying to not be banned again. But as you see, she sells private content. She has an OnlyFans who show herself without clothes. And she's live cooking. But now she's trying to be subtle. She's trying to don't show her boob. But that's her boob here. And she has 11,000 people watching her. And Indie Fox is banned already because she already been banned once. But she has 2 million subscribers. 2 million followers, subscribers, not followers on Instagram. And both of them stream with less clothes. And this is strange because Twitch should ban when people are just showing herself, because it's not a platform for people who has more than 18 years. This platform is for children and teenagers who are want to talk and see people playing games, but they are changing Twitch to a sex website, and it's bad. And that's what I think. If they want to show themselves, they can go to a lot of other websites like Pornhub, Xvideos, uh, sites that you can stream naked. Go there and stream naked. But in Twitch, I think they have to maintain the distance and don't stream naked. That's what I think. I believe you guys understand what I'm talking about, and I'm happy because I'm alright to stop to show boobs and stop to show her butt with less clothes, and are trying to play games without showing herself. I think it would be good for Twitch to maintain those girls out of Twitch. Because think of that. You have a child with their 13 years old, and he are watching Twitch, and he likes to play Minecraft. And all of a sudden, your children are watching an almost naked girl dancing or licking a microphone, or just showing her boobs to your children on his tablet, on his notebook, on his television. What do? You make him stop watching those things and you delete the app. It's bad for Twitch. Let those things happen because it will turn to be a pornography website. That's what I thought about that. So if you guys liked what I said, you can go there live with me and talk to me like the Ruby was talking to me. Go there, the link on the description, GTech Live, and participate with me in the Tech Dots. Okay? That's it. See you guys in the next clip.